back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Malia. I am so happy that you are here. I upload weekly lifestyle videos here on YouTube, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing some tips and tricks about iOS 14. I actually just updated my phone yesterday and I have just recently customized it and I've had so much fun with that. I do want to give credit where it's due. I saw 𝐏𝐢𝐧𝐭𝐞𝐫𝐞, one of my favorite YouTubers, do a video like this and it was super great and I was super inspired by it. So after this video, if you want some more information, I will have her video linked in the description. I don't want to drag this intro on any longer, so I'm just going to get into the tips. The first thing you're going to need to do before you can do any of the customization or other steps is to simply update your phone, but I do know that some of you may not know how to do this, so I'm going to briefly explain it to you. So to update your phone, you're just going to need to go into settings and then click general and then click software update. If you click software update and your phone is ready to update, you should have something pop up that says like iOS 14 and you can click update. Now I will tell you, mine did take about 30 minutes to update, so I would suggest just plugging your phone or device in and going and doing something else, and then maybe when you come back it should be ready. Once you have downloaded iOS 14 and you're ready to start with the process of customization, something I recommend doing is editing your apps. So if you just press and hold on the screen, you will be able to move apps and also delete and move to app library. One of the new features is that you can move apps to your app library, so you can just delete all the unnecessary apps, and then ones that you just don't use every single day, that you don't need to be right there all the time, that are just like extra clutter, you can move those to your app library and have access to those when you need them. Or you can create a whole separate page for all of those apps that you need occasionally, but you don't want cluttering your phone, and you can hide and unhide that page, which is also a great new feature. So once you've done this and you've gotten your apps how you like them and you're ready to customize with widgets and app icons, I suggest going on Pinterest and finding some cute wallpapers or backgrounds that you like and that you want to use. I picked out a few quotes and just cute graphics, and I actually have a whole Pinterest board if you guys want to check that out for iOS 14. I will leave the link in the description. Another thing I recommend doing to kind of find your style and just figure out what you want to do with your phone is just look up pictures of what other people have done with their iOS 14. I will insert what I did with my phone, or you may have already seen it in the thumbnail of this video, but I love how mine turned out, and you can find tons and tons of pictures online on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and even Pinterest. So I recommend just going online and seeing if you can find some inspiration pictures that you like. Once you have all your inspiration gathered, what you're going to want to do is download the app Widgetsmith. It is free on iPhones, I believe, so I just downloaded Widgetsmith, and I know there are tons of alternatives to this, so if you don't like Widgetsmith, I will link some other alternatives in the description. Once you've figured out your style and you're ready to create widgets, you can go on the app Widgetsmith, and there are tons of options, so you can decide if you want a small widget, a medium widget, or a large widget. It really depends on your preference. Personally, on my phone right now, I have some small and some medium ones, but you're welcome to do whatever you want. Once you pick out what size you want, you can just click on it, and then there are tons of options, from your calendar to reminders to a clock to even a picture, which is what I did. I just put some cute little quotes and graphics on mine, and you can even go as far as customizing colors and fonts and even like the outlines for your widgets. So have fun with it, and then once you have what you want, you can just save that on Widgetsmith. Then you can go to your home screen, and what you can do is you can just press and hold like we mentioned earlier when you're editing your screen, and then there's a little plus in the top corner, and you can click that and then scroll all the way down to where it says Widgetsmith, and then add the one that you want. Once you've added it, you can add as many as you want, and you can just play around with the layout and also with your apps, and then you are ready to customize your app icons. So how to customize your app icon? You are going to need to have the app shortcuts to be able to do this, so make sure you have that downloaded on your phone. It does come with the iPhone, but just make sure that you still have it and that you didn't delete it or anything. So once you have the app shortcuts, you can go into the app and then click the plus. And then if you want to make a cute little icon for your app, so what you're going to want to do is click the scripting option. It's a little X looking logo, so you want to click on scripting, and then once you click on that, it'll give you a couple options, and you want to click open app, which is at the top of the list. Then it'll say open, and then it'll have a little box that says choose, so you can just click on choose, and then search and find whatever app that you want it to open. For example, if I want to make a little custom logo for Instagram, I will just scroll and find Instagram, or you can also search it. And then once you have that put in, it's going to say new shortcut and then have a ... at the top. So you just click that ... and then you can name your shortcut. I'm naming mine Instagram. And then what you want to do is click add to home screen. Don't freak out, it's not going to add it yet without your cute logo. So it's going to pop up with a little thing that says preview, and it's going to say new shortcut. So you want to change the name to the app that you want. And then right next to that, you'll be able to click the icon of whatever it automatically has. And then you can click choose photo, take photo, or choose file. I chose a photo that I have in my camera roll from Pinterest earlier. Then you can just click on that and click use, and then you can click add, and then it will add it to your home screen. So once it adds it to your home screen, you can feel free to edit your screen and play around with where you have it. I have a whole page at the front of my phone where I keep all of my cute little logo apps, and I love how it looks. Once you're done with all this, you now know how to add widgets and customize app icons. It does take an extra second to do some of this, but it is so much fun and I love how it looks. So go have fun with it, and don't forget to subscribe down below. See you in my next video.